Hello, it's Stu Sensei here, once again, here to hit you up with another great English phrase. Today is another great phrasal verb for you, and it is bring up. Bring up. So bring up has two meanings. The first is to mention a topic. For example, perhaps at work you have to book some time off and you need to talk to your boss, but your boss is busy. They're talking to other people and you're waiting for the right time. Once the room goes silent and you're coming to your boss, you can say to them, "Excuse me, may I bring up something with you? May I mention a topic? May I start talking to you?" So yeah, bring up is used in that circumstance. But also, the second way to use bring up is to talk about raising children. So for example, I was raised by my parents in England. I was brought up in England. That's meaning that I was raised by my parents in England. And I would love to know, where were you brought up? Where did your parents bring you up? Where were you born and where were you raised? I'd love to know. Chuck a comment down below. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate it. I look forward to seeing you next time. Ciao!